So, Himmat, tell us, you were talking to us last week about some very interesting Gift Plus, which is a revolutionary product which just got launched a few days ago. How is it different from the other options that we've seen? And frankly, is it a better option to go for? And what are the merits and demerits?
Definitely. So if you look in gift, we have covered all the aspect. Only one aspect was remaining, where you were getting regular, but also on the lump sum you're also getting. So we have tried to brought in that combination also in form of gift plus, where you're so in all other earlier four options, you are getting either regular or lump sum. But in Gift Plus, you'll get regular and also the lump sum option. So both the option has been combined into Gift Plus as a product, where an individual pay for regular period and they get a regular income, and they also get a lump sum maturity at the end of the policy term. So this is the whole ideology which was there for
I'll
Gift
just
Plus
pause
as
you
a
here.
product.
Sure, I'll just pause you here, Himmat. What you're saying is that it's a combination product. Sorry, can you repeat actually? I was not very clear. I'm sure the viewers will also. If you go slowly and explain to us again, what is this option? Gift Plus, maybe with an example.
Sure. So yes, sure. So Gift Plus has been product designed. So if you look all our earlier option, either client was getting a regular income or they were getting lump sum.
Right.
So what we have did is we have combined the two products and we have brought it Gift Plus as a product, where client will get regular income and also they will get lump sum maturity at the end of the policy term.
Okay.
So here, someone who's looking as we talked this in the start of the BPT, that there are regular needs and also there are needs for lump sum wealth creation. So both has been catered in this product, where your day-to-day lifestyle is being catered from the regular income which you're getting, and also your long-term goal of retirement or higher education for child has been taken through the lump sum maturity which you're getting on the maturity side. So if you look at the example of 5 years, so if an individual pay 1 lakh rupees for 5 years, they are getting a regular payout of 45,000 for next 5 years, and also they are getting a lump sum of 5,22,000. So here you're getting regular income plus you're getting a lump sum at the maturity, and that too guaranteed and tax free, and life cover which is there.
Okay. Okay. So, friends, I think this is a very interesting option. As you saw in the gift income, there was a pay-in period and a payout period. There was no lump sum payout. Annual payouts were there. In the gift early income, you had 25% of the income come to you from year two, and then you had regular payouts all through the policy period, right? But they were annual payouts. In Gift Plus, in this option, you pay for 5 years and you wait for a couple of years, and immediately you get annual income. Plus, there is a huge lump sum, guaranteed lump sum maturity. So, if you were to see in the table, same table, somebody has paid 5 lakh rupees over 5 years, but he's getting back close to 7.5 or 8 lakhs over the total period of the plan. And all throughout, Himmat, is there a life cover? You said.
Yes. So there's life cover for the whole policy term, like it was there for gift income.
Okay.
Then you get regular payout, and something happens on the regular payout side. Then you can all the payout will go to the nominee.
Nominee. Okay. Okay. But the 10-time cover is only for the contributory period. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
It is only for the contributory plus the policy cooling period.
Cooling period. Okay. Great. Let's go to your next slide. Just one second. We will just fix this. Okay. So what's your option two? Is that an illustration or is it the same product but for a higher period?
It is the same product but for a higher period, where individual is paying for 7 years and they are getting a payout for 7 years regular income. Plus also, if you look at the 7th year, they're also getting a lump sum amount, which is there.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Fair enough. So here, friends, if you see the total premiums paid could be around 7 lakhs, but your benefits that you get could be as high as 12 lakhs, which is split into 5 payouts, tax-free, to meet your regular expenses, and a huge lump sum payout at the end of the term. And option three, Himmat, as I see, you are tempting us to invest for longer. Is that correct? I see the returns getting higher and higher as the investment time horizon goes higher. Is that correct?
Yes, yes, definitely. Because the longer you invest, longer you stay put, the wealth creation, the compounding effects come into picture. And for 10 years, if an individual pays, they are getting regular income for 10 years, and also they are getting lump sum into it. So the IRR tends to improve over the period of time. And your wealth creation goals keep on, you're able to achieve it through compounding effect.
Okay. So again, to summarize very quickly, friends, you pay, let's say, a lakh for 10 years. You immediately, your day one cover is 10 lakhs life insured. There is a cooling period of 2 years, after which you immediately start getting 1 lakh back. So whatever you paid, you start getting more than what you paid for the next 10 years, tax free. So again, if you were to adjust it for tax, let's say you were working and you were in a tax bracket of 25 to 35%, imagine the savings you're making just by taking the income tax free in your hands. At a time when even the government of India and the Ministry of Finance has constantly endeavored to raise their tax revenue by taxing ULIPs, or by in fact taxing some of the excess EPF money interest that we've got. I think the trends are very clear, and we as financial planners would like to insulate our clients from the vagaries of future tax increases. And I think it is common sense, according to us, that the taxation burden will keep going up further, not down. Unless, of course, there is a drastic cut in income tax rates, which we've been hoping for the last almost 15, 20 years, and still that has not happened. So, friends, I think while the corporate taxes have gone down, the regular businessmen or the salaried people have constantly paid more and more income tax, surcharges, education cess. Imagine getting a product which is guaranteeing you tax-free returns and taking the uncertainty out. I think for us, Himmat, as independent planners or independent financial advisors, our clients will definitely thank IPRU and, of course, the government of India for at least leaving this avenue open, which we can take advantage of. So, friends, option one, option two, option three are the same under GIFT Plus, except that Himmat has very rightly pointed out, the longer you invest, higher is your return. Himmat, what's your option four?
So option 4 is that where we have combined regular income, or like let's say the early income option of our gift option, and the lump sum option, where an individual is getting cash back from the second year onwards. Then there's a regular income, then there's a lump sum also. So here you're getting a benefit of three components. You're getting a benefit of cashback, you're getting a benefit of regular income, and also you're getting a benefit of lump sum at the end of the maturity in this product.
Okay, so if I were to summarize, when we compare this option 4 of GIFT Plus with an early income option which was available under GIFT Early Income, would you compare them or say that they are by and large the same, or this is a better option? How would you conclude?
So I think this is way more better, but it is especially designed as per the client's needs and requirement. So here clients, if they are into their, let's say, early 30s or 40s, where they do not require lump sum chunk amount money at this point of time, but the later end of, let's say, 50s or 60s, so they can go for this product where they're getting also regular cashback for their daily needs and regular needs. They've been meeting with the regular cashback and the regular income, and also they're getting a lump sum amount at the end, at the 50s, where they can use it for either for their higher education purposes or for the retirement purpose. So it's a combination of the two products, or let's say three components.
That's what I thought, that this is the most dynamic of all the gift variations that we've seen. As you rightly said, each option in the GIFT 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's say in GIFT Plus option 1, 2, 3, and this 4 has to be customized. And probably option 4, you're absolutely right. It has three payouts. One is an immediate payout after the second year. Second is the payout, which is regular for 7 years after the pay-in period is over. And on top of it, which is the icing on the cake, is that you get a huge sum of money as a lump sum payback. So if you paid 7 lakhs, you get that entire 7 lakh plus a little more back, and also a regular income streams from year 2 onwards. Excellent. Himmat, can you tell us what is the life cover in this? I mean, is it through the entire period, or is it only for the contributory period, the 10 times life cover?
10 times life cover is till the time of you pay the premium and 1 year of cooling period.
+1. Okay, contributory period +1. Okay, I think this is very, very helpful. I guess this option is similar, but for a 10-year kind of a period,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So friends, as you see, again, as we've been pointing out, if you do this, the 10-year versus 7, it's much better for you. It's in your interest. You get a higher yield, and of course, you get immediate payback. So imagine you're going to, if you simplify, if I were to simplify it, imagine that some of us like a mango, some of us like a pineapple, and some of us like apples. These are the individual options under gift 1, 2, 3. But if you want to eat everything together and get all the benefits, then gift plus and these kind of 10-year options are more readily. You get your entire fruit salad with an ice cream on top. Is that? I mean, I would just simplify it and in light humor. I guess this is kind of a summary of all the options that we have seen. Himmat, would you like to add anything as closing comments?
So in closing comments, I would say Gift has been designed looking at it's a customer centric product and looking at the current market scenario where if you look, people are moving more towards on the debt side. They're looking for guaranteed income. They're looking for passive income. They're looking for tax-free income. So, and the most important is the flexibility part, which was missing earlier in the debt products. So here they are getting flexibility, tax benefit with no reinvestment risk, and it can be customized as per individual need, because we have brought in various options, various policy terms, as well as a premium paying term and the payout terms. So all can be customized as per requirement. And as we all say, the thumb rule says, we always follow asset allocation, where you all invest in equities, also invest in debt, and in debt portion, we also always look for guaranteed tax-free products. So this type of product will bring a safety net or a safety cushions to client portfolio. It will bring stability in their portfolio, and also especially their long-term goals or their sacred goals or sacrosanct goal, which cannot be hampered or their timeline cannot be changed. This is a product especially for them where they know that this much amount is going to come to me on this maturity, and I will be able to utilize this for this specific purpose. So that's it from my side.
Fair enough. Absolutely. It was absolutely pleasure. Friends, you were with us on this Sunday morning. Himmat, thanks especially to you to spare time and help us understand the nuances of what looks like a very, very easy to understand and customizable solution. We thank ICICI Prudential. On behalf of Ethical Advisors, we are very proud to be associated with the IPRU. And as you have seen in some of our earlier webinars, right from protection solutions, even right down to cancer or heart kind of customized protection plans. Also Future Perfect, which is a brilliant hybrid product. It is one of the only crossover products in the market which has up to 40% equity for your wealth creation. ULIPs, which are rated as the best in the industry. We are extremely proud to be associated with ICICI Prudential as our insurance partners. Friends, Ethical Advisors also does one-stop shop advisory. We help with your business solutions. We are also very active in mediclaims. We do tax-free retirement funds. We help you invest abroad. We help you create specialized plans in equity via our associate partners, and also our own in-house research team, which is running small case. We also do very simple stuff as AAA fixed deposits or wills and succession planning. So we are here at your service. Do let us know. Our website is www.ethicaladvisors.in, and we also have our own Twitter handles, and we are very active on LinkedIn. So we look forward to being associated with you to ensure your financial well-being, and also to ensure that you get best-in-class products as ICICI Prudential has just demonstrated. Have a great day. Have a great year ahead. COVID is behind us. Let's move forward positively, and let's ensure that whatever lessons we've learned in the pandemic, we definitely implement it for our own and our future generations' well-being. This is Nick Modi signing off. Have a great year ahead.